Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing a face mask. Carbon Cocoa, the people who brought you the all-natural teeth whitening charcoal powder, activated charcoal powder, are now switching to a magnetic charcoal mask. They have sent me this product to review on my channel. Thank you, Carbon Cocoa. So, hair is up in a towel, freshly washed, freshly showered, freshly manicured, if you will. And this is the package that they sent me. Ooh. It comes with your face mask, the magnet itself, and then the spatula. Let me give you guys an up-close and personal look at this packaging. Very sleek, very nice, very wonderful, sturdy packaging. Ooh, it smells good. Smells really good. Here's a look at the magnet and spatula up close and personal too. Again, very sturdy, big surface on this magnet to be able to take the face mask off. And it also gives you little sheet covers for your magnet as well. So what's in the Carbon Cocoa Magnetic Charcoal Mask? It says our magnetic charcoal mask combines our world famous 100% organic coconut shell activated charcoal with volcanic ions and soothing chamomile and lavender essential oils to not only detoxify but also hydrate and soothe your skin, suitable for all skin types. So it says, how do I use? Use the applicator wand, apply a generous amount of the mask to clean skin, leave the mask to infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. Place plastic cover provided over magnet, hover magnet above the skin to remove the mask. If magnet becomes less effective, simply wipe it off and massage remaining oils into skin to infuse. Do not rinse with water. For best results, use overnight. So while this is sitting and while this is masking, if you will, one, it smells so much like lavender, and so this would actually be a really great overnight mask. I know it says to use it overnight for best results, but like right before bed, you get all that lavender essential oil goodness up in your nose. It's very relaxing. And also it applied very nicely. I did put a rather thick layer, like thick with 2 C's on, so we'll see how it comes off. But it says, why choose our mask? It says, hydrate skin, purifies, won't over dry, doesn't strip away essential nutrients, detoxifies, refines pores, naturally soothes, won't leave skin angry, won't leave skin red or angry, protects against environmental pollutants, natural calming fragrance, yes, cruelty-free, Australian-made formula, easy and fun to use. So yeah, we are going to wait the 10 minutes. I think I'm going to throw in a load of laundry. We'll come back, we will take this off with the magnet, and we will go from there. I am sometimes skeptical of charcoal face masks because sometimes they do leave my skin rather dry because they're pulling everything out. However, this actually, as you can see, like on the skin, it has a rather like oily, moisturizing feel to it, unlike other charcoal masks that I've used. So we'll have to see at the very, very end after I take it off. So I will see you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been about 10 minutes. We are going to take the mask off. I'm going to use the magnet that they have provided, which again, huge surface. And the covers that they've also provided are also very thick and sturdy, which is really nice. And how do I want to do this? I think we'll start from the top down. It's always a weird sensation using magnetic masks when you're taking them off because there's like a tugging at your skin. I would have to imagine that's a good thing. Tugging all of the impurities out, I guess. So this is how the face mask is taking off. As you can see, the face mask kind of like stands up on the magnet, which I think is kind of cool. All those magnetic particles. And once all of the mask is taken off, it just says to rub the oils in, which it does not leave your skin feeling unbelievably oily. It leaves it feeling like very soft and refreshed. It feels very like smooth and soft, like after you've lotioned your face. It doesn't feel like heavy or oily. I was a little nervous about that with how thick the actual mask itself is, but actually it's really, really nice. So that is the review. I highly recommend. I really have been liking a lot of face masks lately. As you can see, I have some problematic areas on my cheeks, and this magnetic charcoal mask by Carbon COCO actually was really nice because the thicker you put it on, the easier it was to take off too. So when it says to like apply a generous layer, it'll be easier to take off. But the magnet itself had a very large surface to take it off. It smelled like lavender and was so soothing, and it did not feel heavy on the skin after taking it off. My skin feels nice and smooth and soft. Highly, highly recommend the Carbon COCO. It's also cruelty-free and vegan if that concerns you in your makeup purchases. I will link this down in the description box below. Again, this was sent to me for review, not sponsored, not getting paid. All of my opinions are my own. This is a very nice face mask. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Have you tried the Carbon COCO face mask? Have you tried Carbon COCO's other products, like their teeth whitening charcoal? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.